Welcome to our channel. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With cyber threats on the rise, protecting your personal information and digital assets is crucial. Whether you're a casual user, a business owner, or just curious about the topic, this series will help you understand the basics of cybersecurity and how to safeguard yourself online. So let's get started. Did you know that the demand for ethical hackers is set to increase by a staggering 32% in 2024? That's like needing an army of digital superheroes to fight cybercrime. If you've ever thought about jumping into this thrilling field, now's the time to make your move. So, what exactly is ethical hacking? Well, it's basically the practice of breaking into systems, but with permission. Ethical hackers help organizations identify vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. And considering how reliant we are on technology these days, ethical hacking is more important than ever. Whether you're a techie or just curious, stick around and let's dive into how you can become an ethical hacker in 2024. Problem, challenge now. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Cyber threats are skyrocketing. From data breaches to ransomware attacks, we're all at risk, and the bad guys are getting smarter every day. However, there's a significant gap in the workforce. As cyber threats rise, the number of skilled ethical hackers isn't keeping pace. This means that companies are on the lookout for talented individuals who can help protect their digital assets. If you're wondering why you should care, just think about how much of your life is online. Your information is valuable, and it's crucial to have more skilled ethical hackers ready to defend it. This challenge presents an incredible opportunity for those looking to make a difference while building a rewarding career. So, how do you become an ethical hacker? First off, you'll want to build a solid foundation in IT. Understanding networks, systems, and programming languages is essential. A good starting point is to learn languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++. Next up, certifications. Look into getting certified with courses like Certified Ethical Hacker, SHE, or CompTIA Security Plus. These certifications not only give you knowledge but also make you more appealing to potential employers. Don't forget to get hands-on experience. Try setting up your own lab environment at home where you can practice your skills safely. There are also plenty of online platforms like Hack the Box or TryHackMe that offer practical challenges. Lastly, join communities, attend workshops, and network with other professionals. The ethical hacking community is vibrant and always eager to help newcomers. Let me share an inspiring success story. Meet Sarah. Just a couple of years ago, she was stuck in a dead-end job, feeling unfulfilled. One day, she stumbled upon a YouTube video about ethical hacking. Intrigued, she decided to dive in. She started with online courses, got her SHE certification, and even joined a local hacking group. Fast forward to today, Sarah is now a lead security analyst at a major tech company. She's not just making a great salary, she's also making a real impact on her team and helping protect countless users from cyber threats. If Sarah can do it, so can you. So, to wrap things up, becoming an ethical hacker in 2024 is not just a possibility, it's a path filled with opportunity. We discussed the growing need for ethical hackers, the steps you can take to build your skills, and a real-life example of someone who transformed their career. The digital world isn't going anywhere, and neither are the threats. But with the right training and determination, you can become a crucial part of the solution. I'd love to hear your thoughts on ethical hacking. Are you considering it as a career? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out my related videos for deeper insights into the world of cybersecurity. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this journey together.